Hello Artistro fans! Today we will show you how to make a beautiful butterfly wood ornament and resin wood easily. Let's make these ornaments shine. Sketch the butterflies on the wood slices and start painting them with Artistro paint pens. Paint the butterflies with 2 different shades of markers. Check out the video, How to Blend Paint Pens to make a perfect gradient. Add detailed work with Artistro black paint pen with extra fine tip. These butterflies look like real ones. Let them dry completely and let's add some gloss to them. Cover the working area and prepare the wood slices, art resin, plastic or glass container, toothpicks, and rubber gloves. Both resin and hardener are needed. We advise putting your gloves on. Add equal parts resin and hardener to glass or plastic containers. Mix with a toothpick until you see pearlescent bubbles. Approximately 2 to 3 minutes. After the mix is ready, let it sit for 10 minutes. Pour the resin on your wood slice. Using gloved hands, soap up the rock using what you applied, coating the entire rock in a thin layer. Then let them dry for about 6 hours. Make sure that there are no hairs or bristles on the rock and cover it with a container to keep from dust. Note, the wood not covered in paint will absorb the resin to create a nice glossy look on the butterfly. Look at those shiny ornaments! You can paint the background, add glitter, and do experiments with resin. It's fun and gives a glossy finished look to your artwork. Thank you for watching and see you next week.